Welcome back to the class, guys. I hope you guys are doing pretty good. So in today's class, we will solve another string manipulation program. This particular question was asked to a student of the SDET master class. And the question over here, guys, is a pretty simple one. It's not that difficult, but hey, I need to cover it off, so I'll do that. So the question is, we have been given a string, okay? This string is input, and input is having the value Ravi, but in a different way, R at the rate 5 6 VI. Then there is a space, and we have K U dollar MAR. Okay, there's a percentage also, my bad. Percentage MAR and 16.7. Now the interviewer is telling ki Baba, you are supposed to manipulate this particular string in such a way that the output of this particular program should be Ravi Kumar, okay, and it should be 24. Okay, this is what we need to solve for today. We have been given a string input which basically has alpha, numeric as well as special characters, and we need to manipulate the string in such a way that you are having this as the output. Okay, we are removing all these special characters and we are just going to have alphabets. Ravi Kumar. Talking about this 24, how exactly this 24 comes into picture, you have 5 6 6 7. This is going to be 11 11 plus 13. 6 plus 7 is 13. The answer is going to be 24. So whatever the numbers are there, we are supposed to do addition for that. Okay, this is something that we need to solve. To be honest, it's a very simple problem. We have solved similar kind of problem in this entire course. So most of you guys might be able to come up with a solution by yourself. What I want you guys to do is think first. Okay, pause this particular video. Try to write some logic, okay, and see if you are able to print the output or get the output by yourself. If you're not able to do it, I'll write the code. Okay, I hope you guys were able to at least give some try to this particular program. Now let's write this particular stuff. So what I will be doing now, I will be explaining you the logic as well as the code simultaneously. So let me just create a new class and let's call this as string manipulation. Okay, I already have this. Let's put 3. 3 is fine. Okay, so string manipulation 3. And let's introduce the main method. Let me just zoom in, Control Shift F. And over here, the string which was there, I just need this chap, string input equal to R at the rate VI. That's what I remember. But before VI, there was a 56 space KU. What is this? Dollar percentage MAR 67. Okay, this is what we have. Now, here's the thing now. Over here, the first thing that we will be doing is we will be iterating through the entire string using the character array, right? So I'm going to use a for each loop over here and I'm going to do input dot character array. That is true character array. And this is going to give me the individual character. And observe carefully, I can just do system.out.println C. All right. So I'm just printing the individual characters, and if things are working the way I want, you will see that I'm getting all these chaps. Okay. Individual characters are getting printed for me. But the thing is, we want the output in such a way that we have the alphabets. We don't want the special characters. So I need Ravi, and it should be something like Kumar 24, right? This is something that was needed. So what we need to do is we need to check that, hey, whatever this character that we are getting, is it a letter? Can I do that? Yes, you can do that. You have a character class. I can do that if character class dot is letter. Okay, and you give this C. Observe carefully what happens. System dot out dot println C. Now, let's do one thing. Let's remove ln because it's going to be much more easier because we will be able to see all these things properly then. Now, if I do this, I get Ravi Kumar. But the thing over here is we need a space, right? Space should be there. So if you notice, one, the special characters have been removed, but it has also removed the numbers. That is fine, that we will be able to handle it off. But now the thing is, between Ravi and Kumar, I need that space. Luckily, we have this space over here. So this is also a character, na? So I'm going to check if the character is a letter. Okay, if it is a character is a letter, or the character is equal to single white space. Single white space. So this is the space that I'm giving over here. So if I'm going to click on the play button, you see I got Ravi Kumar. Is this part making sense to everyone? Perfect. Till now, I hope we are on the same page. Now, what will be the next thing that we will be doing now is if this is going to be a character, okay, we should not be printing it off right now. That's the first thing. We should be putting it inside our string builder. So I'm going to create the string builder SB equal to new string builder, and I'm going to take this SB chap. I'm going to put it off over here. SB dot append C. And outside the for loop, I can just print SB. Okay, let's click on the play button. Done. So now we have solved the first part of this particular problem where we got Ravi Kumar. Now we need to take care of the addition of these numbers. So how we are going to do that? It's pretty simple. We have 5, we have 6, we have 6 and 7. Imagine that you have an array and you're supposed to calculate the sum of the numbers which are there inside that array. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I am going to have this int sum, which is going to be initialized with 0. All right. And I want to go and have this else if block. Else if your character dot is a digit. If it's a digit, then what we will be doing is, see, this is a character. Okay. So if you try to think that you're going to do sum equal to sum plus C, if I save this and I'm going to click on the, let's say I print this sys out sum for you guys, it's not going to be 24. Okay. It's going to be 216 because it's using the ASCII value over there. So we want to make sure that we are not taking the ASCII value. Okay. We want to take the numeric value. So that is simple. You can do character dot get numeric value of that particular character. If you do this, save it, click on the play button, you got 24. This is what you wanted, right? And we are done actually over here. You got the sum. What you're going to do of this particular sum, you are technically going to append it off, right? So I can just delete this and I can say sb dot append sum. Save this, right click, run as Java application. We got Ravi Kumar 24. I hope this particular part makes sense to everyone. And probably if they're looking for a white space or something like that, that also you can really do it off. There's nothing fancy. Okay. You can literally attach a white space before that, SB dot append a white space if that's what they were looking for. Let's click on the play button. You got Ravi Kumar space 24. It's a very simple program, guys. The thing over here is this whole program, right, works on the character class and the different methods that we have in the character class. These kinds of problems we have solved a lot in this entire SDET mastery program. All right. So that's it. That's it for this particular class. Thank you so much for your time. Please practice it off. Just because it's an easy program, okay, doesn't mean that you should not be practicing. You should practice it off because you never know, right? When these kinds of programs comes in your interview, and when you try to look at the output or you try to look at the code, and you see like so simple this particular program is, you would feel ashamed that in your interview you are not able to answer it off. Please make sure you practice it off. Don't forget to mark your attendance. Now I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.